Welcome back, folks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take an image and resize it so that it fits in an angled frame. Now, this was something that was asked today in our large group, and I'm here to show you how to do it real easy from within Canva. And actually, for this example, we don't need a frame. So I'm just going to create a new page. And I'm going to add some lines to my page. So I'm going to come on over to my elements. I'm going to grab a line. Now, why a line? Because with lines, I could just move the points to where they need to. So these lines, they actually act as guides, little guides for me. So I'm just going to move them to match the angle of my billboard. And I'll make a duplicate of this line, and I'll just move it so that it is aligned with my border on the bottom, or the angle of the billboard on the bottom. Let's grab this image again, and I'm going to place this image on top like this. And I'm going to grab this image and I'm going to lower the transparency just so that I can see the billboard and the lines, all of them at one time. And we can lower this as much as we need to. Now I'm going to go over to my apps, and I'm going to use an app that's Skews. So you can just type in Skew. There's a couple of options, but I'm going to use this one here. It's called Reshape. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to use the distort option right here. Now, one thing to note is you'll see that there's a purple border around your image. Make sure that your image stays inside of that purple button. Otherwise, it's going to get cut off, and you don't want it to get cut off. So make sure it stays right inside the purple boundary. Now I'm going to grab one of the white notches right at the bottom, and I'm going to distort my image so that it's going to fit into the frame. That's why the lines actually come in handy, because I can actually see the angle of that billboard. So I'm just going to do the same with all of the angles. I'm going to move this over here like that. And I'll take this last one, grab it, and just move it like this. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Once you're happy, just come back over here and say save. Click on this button, and that will save your image. Now, all that we have left to do is to get rid of these lines. And we're going to take that image, we're going to come back up to transparency, and we're going to increase the transparency or restore it all the way so that it is a solid image. So there we have it, guys. What did you think? Did you like this video? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments. Did you learn something? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to join my live classes, let me know as well. I'll give you more information. For now, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.